Pop a pill, unpacking the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where learning English is both fun and insightful. Today, we've got a phrase that you might have heard in movies, TV shows, or perhaps in a casual conversation. Pop a pill. If you're curious about what this means and how to use it, stick around as we break it down for you. When someone says they're going to pop a pill, they mean they are going to take a tablet or capsule of medicine. This expression often carries a casual or nonchalant tone. It's not about the act of taking medicine as prescribed, but rather the casual or sometimes impulsive decision to take a pill, often for its immediate effects. The phrase can sometimes imply that the person is taking the pill without serious thought or consideration, as in doing so casually or habitually. The phrase, pop a pill, comes from the verb, to pop, which in this context means to take something, usually a small item, quickly or suddenly. It's a colloquial term and has been popular in American English, especially when discussing topics like headaches, pain relief, or even vitamins and dietary supplements. To get a better grasp of the phrase, let's see it in action. I had a terrible headache, so I decided to pop a pill and lie down for a bit. In today's busy world, it seems like the first solution to any ailment is to pop a pill. Notice how the phrase is used to describe the action of taking medicine in a very everyday, non-technical manner. In many Western cultures, particularly in the United States, there's a perception that people are quick to turn to medication for solutions to their problems. The phrase, pop a pill, reflects this tendency and can carry a critical tone, suggesting that perhaps people should consider other remedies or therapies before resorting to pills. It's also worth noting that while the phrase can be used lightly, it can also have a more serious connotation if it's referring to the misuse or overuse of medication. Let's compare pop a pill with take a pill. While they both refer to the action of consuming medicine, take a pill is more neutral and is the appropriate choice for more formal or medical discussions. Pop a pill, on the other hand, is informal and conveys a different attitude towards the action. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has been informative and has given you a clearer understanding of the phrase, pop a pill. It's a small slice of everyday English language that can tell us a lot about attitudes towards health and medicine. Remember, learning a language is also about understanding the culture behind it. So, keep learning, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language insights. See you in the next video.